I'm Stinson Hamilton. I decided to get on Drone Command Live because I'm tired of earning money for somebody else, and I love to be independent and be able to provide for myself and for my family. One of my biggest takeaways from this is not just how to fly a drone, but it's a very extensive uh, thing of marketing and how to create the marketing for this business. It's not how to fly a drone. This is how to start and run a business, which I'm really excited about. Um, and that in itself is probably one of my biggest takeaways from this as well. What was great about attending virtually and how it was a big help is this is much more interactive than I ever would have thought. I came into this thinking that it was actually going to be something that you just talk at me about all this, not near as much of an interactive deal, which I think is amazing. Someone that's on the fence, just go for it. This is much more than I thought, and I've got 3 pages of notes halfway through the first day, and I'm learning so much. Most valuable lesson that you learned, you'll be able to implement. Learning the difference between advertising and marketing. Coming into this, I really only thought marketing was just advertising, not the whole thing that it was and is. Learning that marketing can take something that's here and kind of starting to lose money, and with the right marketing strategy, can raise the prices and raise the perceived value. Just taking one thing and bringing it into a whole different step is really interesting, and it's broadening my perspective of how to run a business, because I've never run a business before, and everything I'm learning today is invaluable. How would I describe Damon and Diego? They're very interesting. They don't just talk about the script or whatever they have. They like to go into detail and give examples, and like today about with the bass guitar, and then go into different things and interact. I love how they're interacting with the chat, and it's not just people behind the scenes looking at it and reacting, and they're actually being able to talk with us directly. And I think that's really awesome. Appreciate y'all. This is definitely more than I thought, and I'm really enjoying myself here. I love being able to interact and hear from everybody else and hear from y'all. And I'm really excited to hear what is to come. Thank y'all.